tonight for dinner, I'm making some roasted broccoli on a baking sheet in my oven. I'm gonna be baking these at 350 degrees, lined with a parchment paper sheet right here. I love using this unbleached parchment paper from Smartake. I purchased these on Amazon, and this is just such a great size. It's a 12-inch by 16-inch. It fits perfectly in this baking dish or baking pan. So let's start getting these roasted. What you like to do is basically take broccoli. I chop off the stems. You want to separate them enough so that air can flow between them and they can cook evenly. Then I also sprayed them with a little bit of olive oil. This is my Trend Plain olive oil sprayer. I featured this in other videos. This is really great because it sprays really well. And it also has a pour function right there in the top. Let me see if I can open it. There you go. But tonight we're doing spray. So let's get these in the oven so that we can have them for dinner. I always just like to set a timer so that I don't forget, so we're gonna do 20 minutes. All right, looks pretty good. You can keep going if you prefer, but my husband actually likes it when it's just pretty tender like this. Looks so good. I love how this parchment paper makes it for easy cleanup, and it just really works really well in the oven. Well, if you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and check out my Amazon storefront for where you can purchase the Smartake parchment paper and the Trend Plain oil sprayer. See you in the next video. Bye.